Your viewers don't leave because your video lacks value. They leave because your message never reaches them the way it was meant to. And that's the most frustrating part. You spend hours researching, crafting a compelling script, filming your content, and sharing ideas that genuinely deserve to be seen. But the problem isn't your content, it's how that story is delivered. When the editing fails to capture attention, build emotion, and guide viewers through the journey, even the most powerful ideas struggle to leave a lasting impact. Most creators believe that to make a truly great video, they need better transitions, more effects, and insanely flashy edits. But great editing isn't about any of that. So what actually makes a video great? The answer is emotion, curiosity, trust, and most importantly, how it makes people feel. That's why someone once said, if content is king, emotion is its queen. That's why we don't just edit videos, we transform your ideas into visual stories that feel intentional, emotional, and deeply connected to your audience. By combining storytelling, audience psychology, and strategic video editing, we help creators build stronger brands, earn trust, grow loyal communities, and create videos that people don't just watch, they remember. Because when people remember your story, they remember your brand. And that's where ABID comes in. Ready to create videos that build trust, grow your audience, and strengthen your brand? Let's make it happen. Limited client slots available. Contact us today. Link in the description.